gut feelers, today we're going to talk about celery juice, exclusively an FAQ about all the things that you've asked. Why do I have diarrhea after I eat it? Why am I feeling bloated? Why do I have more symptoms than I had before? Am I actually allergic to celery? Can I just blend it up and drink it like that? All of these questions we're going to address so you know everything you need to incorporate celery juice healthily into your daily life and to speed up your healing the fastest way possible. Let's go! If you're new to this channel, my name is Peggy from PeggySchirmer.com. This is an FAQ video, so if you have no idea what she's talking about celery juice, I invite you to check out some of the videos I link for you in the description to get more context on this. This channel, Gut Feelings, is here to support you to become your own health expert. So you are not confused anymore, you don't have to run from doctor to doctor, from test to test. You know what's happening inside your body and you know how to create a healing environment for your body so it can heal itself, because that's how your body is designed to. It's designed to thrive. And now let's get ready for some celery talk. Question number one I get all the time: can I just eat celery like this? Is it enough? I don't have a juicer. Can I blend it and then drink the smoothie? Is that possible? Simple question, simple answer. The best thing is to have just the juice. Even if you have an awesome stomach and really a lot of space in there, just eating a whole plain bunch of celery is quite a lot. Think about celery juice as a liquid, as a medicine. It's not so much like a juice, like a fancy detox drink or anything like that. It's a concentrate of minerals, of specific kinds of sodium, cluster salts, which help to restore your HCl levels, which help to purge your liver from toxins, kill off bacteria, kill off viruses in your digestive tract. You are not getting the same effect if you have the fiber still on there. Of course, if you can include celery into your daily life, if you do a soup of celery, if you eat it raw with a dip or anything like that, that's awesome. But for healing from chronic illnesses, especially if you have gut-related issues, energy issues, skin issues, brain fog, autoimmune diseases, you want to do 16 ounces of celery juice, just the plain juice, nothing else added, empty stomach in the morning. Number two, I hate the juice of celery. Can I just put an apple in or a cucumber in to make it a little bit more tasty? I know I still hate celery, especially in the morning. I want something sweet, I want something fruity, and then there's this green monster waiting there for me. But I do it. I completely get it, you don't like the taste. If it's really too hard for you to do celery, then you might want to start with plain cucumber juice. I do not recommend you to dilute this with water, with apple, or with anything else. This is not just a detox drink, it's a medicine. It has to be plain. Guys, it's all or nothing. And if I can do it, you can do it. Number three, I don't have so much time in my daily life. Can I just make the celery juice for like the whole week and just put it in the fridge? Or can I prepare it in the evening and can I drink it in the morning? Completely understand, it's much more practical to prepare it beforehand, but as soon as you crush the cells of anything living, the enzymes which are in there are getting activated, meaning the juice starts to digest itself, it starts to decompose. You juice it, you drink it straight away, within an hour is best. Number four, now guys, let's dig into some symptoms here. What I hear a lot from you is, I can't digest the celery, I'm allergic to celery, I have diarrhea, I have bloating, I have and or more symptoms that I had before. What's happening to me? This can't be good. First of all, guys, don't panic. This is nature, guys. Our body is designed to have nature. This is not a pill, it's not a chemical drug, it's not an antibiotic that we take, it's not an IV injection of any kinds of vitamins or minerals. This is nature. Our body is designed to eat this. I'm very skeptical for all these allergy tests that you do that tell you, okay, you're allergic to bananas, you're allergic to apples, you're allergic to celery, you're allergic to fill in the blank with other healing foods. These tests are not reliable. Believe me, I have 15 years of allergy suffering experience. I did them all. Of course, guys, you decide what's best for you. This might look like really innocent, green and boring, but this is healing power. Guys, this is the single most strong detoxing juice that you can get for your body. The more toxicity you have built up in your body, the more heavy metals there are, pharmaceuticals that you took, antibiotic residues in the liver, especially in the gut. This creates a high toxic environment. When you start celery juice in the morning, it's gonna bring out those toxins into the bloodstream. Stick with me till the end. I'm gonna give you a tip what you can do to make it easier for your body to transition out these toxins out of your blood, out of your inner organs, and to lower these symptoms. For now, let's dig into why you have those symptoms. Let's start with diarrhea. That's the one that the most from you. The celery juice will start killing off pathogens, strep, viruses, bacteria. The body is very clever. It tries to flush this out. So even if you have loose stool, if you have diarrhea in the first days, if you see undigested food particles in your stool, you don't have to worry. This is not going to harm you in any way. This is a medicine. It's pure medicine. Knowing this is a detox, this is cleansing. That means that your body is actually taking the medicine and it's doing its job. It's bringing out those junk, it's bringing out those toxins out of your body. All of these symptoms are going to dissolve often after a day, after a few days, latest after a week. You're not going to have to worry. There's nothing wrong with your body. It means the medicine is working. Another one is bloating. You get the celery juice and you feel, oh my God, I have more bloating, more tension than before. Again here, celery is killing off those bacteria. It's increasing the bile production in your liver. It's increasing the HCl, the good stomach acid. And all of these guys are killing off pathogens. When a bacteria like strep starts to dissolve, it releases toxins as well. It creates an inflammation reaction. This is what you experience with the bloating. Also, all kinds of undigested food, that we eat through high fat, high protein. Your body can't break it down because it doesn't have enough HCl, good HCl, not enough bile. Then food starts rotting in the gut. Celery juice is going to start breaking off this rancid fat from your stomach, from the bottom of your stomach, from your intestinal lining, all the mucus that has built up on the walls. This is what comes out. This is why you see those food particles undigested in the stool. Don't worry about that bloating. It's going to relieve itself after a few days. Another big one is tiredness, and that you have the feeling that your symptoms are just increasing. Everything gets worse. You drink the celery juice and feel like, oh my God, I have more pain, I have cramps, I must be allergic to celery juice. No. Again, this is a detoxing reaction. You're not allergic to celery. An upset stomach and the pain and the tiredness has to do with the nerve endings in your gut. So as you have everywhere in your body, you have nerve endings, and especially if there was a lot of toxicity happening in your body, if you have viruses like Epstein-Barr, shingles, which create a neurotoxin, inflames these nerve endings in the body. If that was the case, then you might experience these symptoms because of the sensitivity of the nerves. It has to do with the vagus nerve. It's a little bit complex. Don't want to get into too much detail here. What you need to know, like for everything I said, these symptoms with the celery juice, whatever happened, it's temporary. It's going to be brief and short, and you know that once you have these symptoms, you are on the way to healing. It means the medicine is actually working. If that's too much for you, if you feel like, no, I can't, this is too much, there are two options. You can either decrease the amount of celery juice. You can start with 8 ounces, 200 milliliter, or even less, and just work your way up. Or if you have too much toxicity, sometimes I have clients who it's just too much for them. Juice 2 cucumbers in the morning, do that for a week, and then you're going to retry your other green friend, the celery. You're likely going to have less reaction to that if you have already 1 week of cucumber juice behind you. Guys, if you want to know more about celery juice and where this whole movement came from, I can highly recommend you Anthony Williams, which is The Medical Medium. I'm gonna link you my favorite books down below. I recommend you Healing Foods. The newest one is Liver Rescue, which is awesome as well. Or Medical Medium is the basic, the standard, the first book he released. It's a pure source of wisdom. I highly recommend you to check these out if you want to speed up your healing journey. Now guys, before we come to the bonus content in a second, may I ask you if you have any more questions about celery juice? Anything I missed out? Ask me in the comments below, and please share this video with your family, with your friends in your community, maybe with other people who are in the celery juice movement with you already, or that you love to be part of it as well. Bonus content! I love bonus content, by the way. It's a new thing. I'm doing that. I love it. There's one thing how you can make it easier for your body to have less detox reactions from this healing medicine, the celery juice. When the celery juice brings out the toxins into your bloodstream, you want to make it easy for your body to transport them out. And the best thing to do, the nutrient superfood, is Hawaiian spirulina. If you start off day 1 till day 3, I recommend to take 5 of these beautiful presslings. Yeah, it's tablets, but it's a food. After that, you can go up to 10. It's not only helping you to bind to the toxins and flush them out, it also contains vitamin B12, it contains iron, zinc, vitamin K. It's just like, it's a really pure, nutrient-dense food. With iodine, natural iodine, which is great for your healthy thyroid, and bursting with all kinds of antioxidants that make you even more beautiful than you are already. Okay, Hawaiian spirulina, I link you a video where you can learn more about that below, and also the best products that I found and that I recommend to my clients. Guys, I wish you a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have fun with your new friend. Be patient, your body loves you and your body's designed to heal. See you in the next video. Bye bye.